Do you have hard water spots in your shower and on your sink? We think we have the solution. Stick around. Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we're
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
Here's our fix, guys. It is the on-the-go portable water softener. This thing runs on normal table salt. So once we get it set up, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to show you how easy this thing is going to be to get attached to the RV. And it also comes with some test strips, so we're going to be able to test how hard the water is before and then how hard the water is after we have this thing installed. So let's start with the unboxing.
Let's go.
When I bought this, they told me everything I needed was in the box, so we'll see. All right.
Bubbles.
Yeah, bubbles. A little packet of, it's got some O-rings in there. It's got the test strips in there. Here's the main piece. Is the bottle. And we have a little piece of hose. Wow, that was a quick and easy unboxing. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead inside and we'll test the water, and we'll bring it back out here in a second and show you guys just how hard the water is in the park that we're in currently. Took one of the strips, I ran it under the sink in the kitchen for a second and let it sit for a minute. Now I'm going to use it along the gauge on this bottle and see just how hard our water is here at the park.
Wow. It's about 425.
425 parts per million. On the bottle it says hardness greater of 250. Dishwasher is impossible to use without producing film on dishes. Greater than 120, some scaling will occur in pipes and appliances. Greater than 80, detergents with softening agents are not completely effective in cleaning. And we're at 425 right now. So our water is super hard here at this park. And we noticed it at the very first park that we went to also. That's when we started to see the white stuff on the sink.
And the shower doors are horrible. Spotty.
So these are the instructions for the first time use. It's a 6-step process. So now Ginger mostly is going to get it hooked up to our RV, and then we'll run the water a little bit inside, and we'll do another test and show you just how well or how not so well this thing works. This isn't sponsored. We bought this out of our own money, just like everything else. So you can get a good, honest review out of us on this thing. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so the first step is to turn off the water and disconnect the inlet and outlet hoses. Okay, disconnected. The next step is to use the female outlet to the outside of the softener. Connect water source to the softener outlet. Okay.
Right.
So I have this hose hooked up. Now we're going to go over here to the water outlet. It's not very heavy. It's about this heavy. Now I'll turn the water on, and it says to let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. Ooh, it's red. Ooh. You'll see right here that the water is spraying out around this valvey thing. So we're gonna put some Teflon tape here and here.
It wasn't in the instructions to do that, but obviously there's a leak there. I tightened it down a little bit and it's still leaking, so we'll just Teflon tape it and call it a day after we're done with the 2 to 3 minutes on the flush here.
Okay, so now we have it taped up, and we realize we do not need the female to female adapter for our connection. So we're going to connect this here, and then we're going to connect our 0G hose to this side. And turn it back on. And the leak has stopped. And now it's time to go in and let the water run a little bit and do the water softener or the water hardness test again.
Here's the final test strip. If you remember from the first one earlier in the video, we were clear up to the 425 parts per million range. Allison hooked up the softener. I went in, I let the water run for a minute or so, and I did another test. Now this test is showing somewhere between 0 and 40 parts per million. So all these things that were warnings on the side for water hardness, your cleaner's not working right, scaling occurring, and dishwasher, which we don't have a dishwasher. Well, I do, but
we don't want to scale any scaling on this dishwasher.
That's right. But your dishwasher would be impossible to use with that, without leaving a film on your dishes. So hopefully all of that is now taken care of with the on-the-go portable water softener. So again, day one, first time we've used it, and I would say so far it's a hit.
Please leave a comment and let us know how you get rid of the hard water spots on your glass shower doors and your faucets. Tried a couple of things, and just let me know what works best for you and how you like this video and what you use for your hard water. And please hit that thumbs up and subscribe and hang around.
You might as well subscribe. It's free, guys, and it helps our channel out. Well, if you're here, thanks. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around till the end. And we'll see you next time on
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye.